Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you've learned on how to file an amended tax return using the Free Tax USA. So, first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, just have to search for Free Tax USA, and then you just have to sign up for an account. Okay, so now if you are eligible to use this tool, depending on your region, then you can sign up for an account. So after that, it will take you to this page. Okay, so we have here options. So what you're going to do is to simply tap on the file and amended tax return. Okay, so here it looks like you haven't finished your federal return yet, so we need to file your original return before you can amend. Okay, so we need to finish that one. So make sure that you have finished all of the steps right here. Okay, so you need to start with your personal. So we have here the taxpayer information. That's right. So you have to finish everything, and then you have your filing status. Okay. And then the next one is we have here the dependents. Okay, so if you have any dependents or qualifying children, so you just have to add them. And for the personal information summary, so you just have to confirm everything right here so that you can continue to your income. Okay, so the next one is the income section. Okay, so let me just tap on continue and then tap on continue to income. Okay, so right here you will start with your wages form W-2. So if you're ready to enter your W-2, then you just have to enter yes, but we're just going to skip that part. Then the next one is your income. So you just have to add here all of your income. Okay, and then if you have business and real rental income, so you just have to add that right here. And then for the uncommon income, like taxable scholarship, gambling income, canceled debt, and more. So after that, just tap on continue. Next one is you just have to save and continue. Okay, and then your 2025 income summary. So you'll be able to see that right here. And then we will now proceed to the next phase. So continue to deductions. So right here, do you have any of these deductions? So you just have to select all that apply. So for example, made a donation, homeowner, taxes paid, investment, interest paid, so something like that. And then tap on save and continue. Next, you have to fill out your itemized deductions. So you have to add those right here. Okay, and then tap on continue after filling out everything. Now you're just going to select the item as deduction. Okay, and then save and continue. And then if you have health insurance from the marketplace, so you just have to answer the question and then save and continue again. So here we have the common deductions and credits, so we just have to edit or add those deductions and credits. Okay, and then click on continue. So we also have here the other deductions and credits. So you just have to proceed to the next step, and this is our 2025 deduction and credit summary. Okay, and then continue to miscellaneous. And then once everything is done, okay, once you have finished everything, you can now do your amended tax return. Okay, so you just make sure that you have finished everything right here for the final step. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.